Before we start the machine, connect the water, electricity, cooling water, and gas. After connecting to the outside, it comes to our condenser. Then it's low net, high out. After entering, check the water and then check the air pressure. The air pressure must be above 4 kilograms. Then it's electricity. This is the main inlet. This is the main power supply. 3 live wires and 1 neutral wire, and a ground wire below. After connecting, close the main switch. After the main switch, check these 3 indicator lights. If these 3 indicators are normal, they will light up. Turn on the power one by one. And then close them all. At this time, this is a 3-phase protection. Now, only a yellow light is on below. It's normal. At this time, turn on the key switch. After entering VRE system one by one, a small screen. This is a Chinese and English switch. I'm operating in Chinese now. Click the small door and enter the password. Click OK. Click Login, and then after entering, first, there is a main screen. Then this is a freeze-drying operation. Look now. It's in the automatic ready state. Click the conversion again. It will be converted to manual readiness state. This is a manual operation. This is a manual operation. Set the temperature. When cooling the partition, let's set it to -20 degrees. Then press the circulating pump. Compressor. At this time, it will cool the front compartment of the partition. It will reach, according to this value, and it will stop after reaching -20 degrees. This is the operation of each valve. In a manual state, after the manual operation is over, the tram can stop. Then mainly when we run to automatic. When it runs automatically. Switch to automatic. Look, it's automatic. Now it is in an automatic ready state. This is an automatic start. Before starting, we need to edit the freeze-drying process. The freeze-drying process is a small interface in the upper right corner of the main screen. Look, after clicking it. This is a small process I edited during my experiment. And the formula is 6. You can choose whichever one you want. You need to edit it in advance. After editing, be sure to click Save. I have edited a total of 36 segments. It's the same as above. After selecting it, you can start the freeze-drying operation. Click 1 to start automatically. There is a prompt to drain the water. Continue. At this time, run according to my freeze-drying process. Operation stage. The first section sets the time. Second is 2 hours. SV is the set temperature. PV is the actual temperature. It will run according to our setting of -50 until degrees. It drops to -50 degrees. This is to cool the freezer box and the partition board, mainly to cool the partition. Then it will run according to our freeze-drying process until the end. Then let's take a look at this freeze-drying process. This is the running time, running minutes. This is contact temperature. It will run according to the time and temperature. It means that if you set it to -50, then it will reach -40 degrees. Look at the temperature at each stage. It will reach. It depends on how we set the vacuum degree behind. What is the situation of vacuum adjustment? Each section can be adjusted for vacuum. If I set it to 0, it will not adjust. If I set it to 10, set it to 10 this time, It will adjust according to this 10 PA. To adjust, the amplitude of the upper and lower sides can be set as long as you modify
Just
a parameter.
click Save.
This is the second page. This is the last page. This is the lower limit and upper limit of vacuum heating.
Yes.
It's also a protection.
It's a protection
It's
value.
equivalent
That
to
is,
when the vacuum degree.
I set it to 50.
When the vacuum degree reaches below 50 pascals, heating will start. If the vacuum degree
then
cannot be
it will not
reduced,
heat up.
it will be affected by these two parameters. Automatic, and it will show an automatic. Yes, freeze drying is over. The screen prompts you that I am forcibly ending now. This is the operation.